why we study this topic is really important. Because we are going to be a certified management accountant. We have a qualification called CIA, Certified Internal Auditing. They are meant to do auditing. But you as a management, you are part of CEO team, you are a part of operations, because you are looking not only to accounting, you are looking to different aspects of a company. If you assume CEO, discuss internal auditing, system controls, and security measures. These are three different topics. I will put a light on this. First of all, what is auditing? Auditing is inspection of your procedures, your documents, by two ways. If you do it by your own self, this is internal auditing. If an expert from outside, like from KPMG, PwC, Ernst & Young, Deloitte, or any audit firm, they come to your company as per requirement once in a year minimum, right? If a company is big, of course they will keep coming internally, but if you are focusing more into external auditing, so at least once in a year they will come. Their major focus is financial statements. They want to express an opinion that you are good or bad, right? You qualify, you don't qualify. Internal auditing is different. Internal auditing is adding value into day-to-day functions, processes. So internal auditor is our employee. He comes every day to office. He takes a specific salary. Against that, he do a specific job. His major focus is, suppose we assume an example of purchase department. He will go in purchase department. He will say this purchase department has policy or not, because every company should have policies. This is the starting point to make. If I'm going to make a bank or a company today, I will make it maybe after 6 months. 6 months I have to work now, right? I'll make a charter, what they will do, what will be the powers, what will be the policies, purchase, how they will purchase, who can purchase, what set of documents is required. These are called SOPs, these standard operating procedures. So as internal auditor, we have to check that these procedures that has been drafted by management led by CEO is good or bad, effective, ineffective, right? Good and bad is a theoretical word. This is generally we use for human beings. You are a good or bad, For system, we say effective and ineffective, efficient, inefficient, right? So internal auditing is more focused on day-to-day process. How it works is, if you want to make a quotation, and you have a system that quotation will be formed by someone and 3 people will sign to get it authorized, approved. If it is $5,000, then this guy will do. If it is $15,000, this guy is going to do. So in all that particular scenarios, if suppose 2 guys are on vacation and your quotation is on hold for 5 days, 10 days, and your competitors' systems are really smart, you call and ask for quotation, they send you in seconds and they follow up and they mature the deal in the same time. So that time the guys will come and they will give quotation, they will say, no, we are not interested, right? So your processes are blocking company sales, profitability, and income, right? This is a connectivity. Right? So this is, we have to understand as a management. For an accountant, putting a debit and credit is the most important thing. He don't cares that customer is happy or not, office is open on time or not, what image people is carrying for the company. This is not his job, but this is the job of a management accountant. So right beginning of the organization till you close, it is something that is really worth to do it, and this is we maintain through internal auditing. If a company is small, there are 5-6 people sitting here and there. Owner is in the office. He is monitoring everything because he is committed to himself. It is his business and his money, or her business and her money. We don't need any such controls because the guy is really committed, But let's talk about McDonald's, KFC, Microsoft, Google, and Nokia and Apple, where owners are listed in stock exchange. You buy the shares and everything is run by country manager, branch manager, employees. Every employee wants to become rich. If you are young, you want a big car. If you are unmarried, you want to buy a home so you can bring your wife into in shortest possible time. If you have small car, you are looking for a big car. If you have a big car, you are looking for a biggest car. So this is the human nature. If your salary is 20, you are looking for 30. If your salary is 30, you are looking for 40. So this is your human nature. So people are, have unlimited wants and limited resources. This is the subject called economics. Keeping in view, if you are a boss, so how you are going to control, right? You will hire an employee, you will make him a cashier, right? He receives lot of cash in a day, he or she, and in their mind is, this is the cash, let's take something out of this and be rich in 6 months, then resign, run from this country. This is how people do make money and run from here, right? So we have to put controls, because if in your company there is a fraud, so the biggest loser are you as a company, because people will feel that your systems are not protecting. For example, if there is a fraud in Emirates NBD, ADCB, JP Morgan's, Bank of America, we have given money to them. Next day people will go to the branch and they will say, look, we give our money back. We don't trust you. Right? So putting systems in a company is not my choice, it's my need, right? Hiring CMAs is not my choice, it's my need, as Nestle, as Microsoft, because if anything happen, my reputation capital is on stake, right? And these qualifications will give us ample knowledge how to handle such situations. So he says the growth and complexity of the modern organization has grown tremendously. McDonald's used to be one highway truck burger selling restaurant, which is now the world largest, right? Windows used to be small, now Microsoft is really big, and KFC and Pizza Hut, these are some examples that we know. So as I told you, if it is small setup, it's very easy, but if it is a bigger setup where owners are not directly connected, then we have to put organizational structures, we have to put the rules, policies and procedures, we have to hire people to do the work according to the policy, and we need people who are checking these, that they are doing in compliance these works. So if we become general manager, CEO, the first thing is how we do. The very important thing is there are people to test that how things are going, right? So both, will work together. Okay. We have an institute in America that is Institute of Internal Audit. You might heard about this. They offer the CIA qualification. They are in Florida and they are the only institute that focusing on internal auditing. External auditing in Egypt, we have Institute of Chartered Accountant, in Jordan, in America, in UK, in every country, in India. We have one institute who is issuing audit compliances, making audit firms, but internal auditor institute is only mainly in US. So they